Let's get into a comfortable position. Take a deep breathe in and a deep breathe out. Let's begin. I am grateful for the experiences of today. I release any stress or tension from my body. My mind is calm and my thoughts are peaceful. I am surrounded by love and warmth. I let go of any worries about tomorrow. I am at peace with the events of the day. I trust that tomorrow will be a new opportunity. My body is relaxed and I am ready for sleep. I choose to focus on the positive moments of today. I am thankful for the rest my body will receive tonight. I release any negative energy from my mind. I'm safe, and all is well in my world. I forgive any perceived shortcomings of today. I am surrounded by a sense of serenity. My mind is clear and I let go of racing thoughts. I appreciate the quiet and stillness of the night. I am grateful for the comfort of my bed. I release any tension in my muscles and let go. I am open to sweet and restful dreams. I trust in the healing power of sleep. I am grateful for the gift of a new day tomorrow. I surrender to the tranquility of the night. I am worthy of a good night's sleep. I let go of any expectations for tomorrow. I am surrounded by a sense of calm and tranquility. I release any thoughts that no longer serve me. I am grateful for the peace that sleep brings. I choose to end my day with gratitude and positivity. I am enveloped in a feeling of safety and security. I am grateful for the love and support in my life. I release any tension in my mind and body. I trust in the process of life unfolding. I am grateful for the opportunities of a new day. I let go of any stressors that may affect my sleep. I am surrounded by the gentle embrace of sleep. I appreciate the stillness and quiet of the night. I am at peace with myself and the world. I release any thoughts of the past and future. My body is ready to relax and rejuvenate during sleep. I trust that everything is unfolding as it should. I am grateful for the lessons learned today. I let go of any need to control tomorrow. I am surrounded by a sense of ease and comfort. I release any concerns about what I cannot change. I am thankful for the blessings of this day. I choose to end my day with a peaceful and grateful heart. I am grateful for the opportunity to rest and recharge. As we end this session, breathe in as deeply as you can. Hold and exhale with a sigh. Thanks for being here.